I started thinking about writing at the age of 12 and sent my first piece out actually to Fantasy and Science Fiction magazine when I was 12. And I figured out how much money I'd be paid for it. I counted the words. I don't know what it was, 3 cents a word. I was really surprised when it got rejected. It was a pencil thing. It was on paper. I still remember what it was about. It was about an astronaut getting a speeding ticket in outer space. Um, and that was first contact with other life forms, a speeding ticket. So that state of affairs of getting rejection slips on short stories, that basically continued from the age of 12 till the age of 25. I probably collected 1,000 rejection slips. You couldn't see the wall in my bedroom because it was plastered with rejection slips. And that's all that I ever wanted to do. I wrote a book when I was 15, 17, 19. They weren't good. At the time, I thought they were. It wasn't until I was 25. I'd been writing journalism by then, but it wasn't until 25 that I sold the first novel. And I remember the phone rang one day, and instead of the word no, I heard the word yes for the first time.